What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on the Camille Rose Twisting Butter. I was supposed to do this whole video. I wanted to do like a side-by-side video showing Curly Hair Don't Care. Check out her channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. But she uses Camille Rose products. She uses a lot of different products. She does a lot of different reviews. But I found out about the Camille Rose product from her channel. So I said if I'm going to buy the Camille Rose, I'm going to do like a side-by-side how she does it. And then I'll be doing the same thing she did. But today a girl was not feeling it. I ended up going to the beach yesterday. I wet my hair because I'm that type of person. Like, a hairstyle is not going to stop me from enjoying the beach. So I ended up wetting my hair, and then I came home in the night. It was late. I tried to wash out the salt, but I don't know, my hair didn't dry properly, so in the morning it was smelling kind of weird. So I just took the hairstyle out and I washed my hair. So I decided to use the Camille Rose Almond Jade or Jai, whichever one, Twisting Butter. And let me tell you, this thing smells so good, right? Oh my gosh, this smells like a delicious almond pound cake. It smells good. So what I ended up doing is I went in the shower and I washed my hair. Well, I didn't wash my hair in the shower, but I washed my hair outside, and then I went in the shower. Then I wet my hair all over again because it dried up a lot, so it was very matted. So I ended up wetting my hair again. And then when my hair was completely wet, I went ahead and I brushed out my hair, and then I applied the product and I retwisted my hair. So I did the same thing with all strands. As you can see, it's like, it's still dripping wet because I had on a shower cap. I took a shower, whatever. And I put on the shower cap so that I don't re-wet the twist and make all the product come out my hair, you know? So I put on a shower cap and then took a bath, and here I am. So I decided, let me do this video for you guys so that tomorrow when I take it out, y'all could see what it's gonna look like. But so far, my first impression is it smells really good. It conditions the hair really well. I can't really tell you completely because it's not completely dry, but while it's wet, it did the thing. I brushed my hair out really nice. It smells really good. It makes my hair feel very soft and bouncy for right now. This is my first impression. Tomorrow I'm going to take it out. I'm going to do my makeup, whatever, get myself together, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to record a video for you guys. So stay tuned for that. But for right now, this is my first impression, and so far it's going good. So hopefully tomorrow when I take out these twists, your girl could have a little curls or whatever, you know. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out Curly Hair Don't Care channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye.